Hello YouTube. I've been asked what kind of lift do I use to lift my bike up. Somebody's obviously seen me using it on one of my videos when I put the new exhaust on it, and it's an easy riser made in Britain by Quasar products. It says on it it's the world's safest motorcycle lift, and what attracted me to it was it doesn't take a lot of room up in the garage, and I'd used another type of lift, albeit it was a homemade one, and I nearly had a bike fall off it trying to put it on the main stand, so that kind of put me off using one of those. So I looked at the videos on YouTube, and I thought, yeah, that's more like what I want. And I've had it for 5 years now, I think, and I can only praise it. It's okay. It does what it says on the tin. Don't take a lot of room up. It's easy to move about. I can't find no negatives about it really. You can get different attachments to fit on this part here. At the moment I've got the wheel attachments on, which slide in and out, and it's just like a motorcycle device what you put on the back of the car, put trials bikes on, and it lifts it at the front and the back. When you're lifting the bike by the wheels, there's this plate that fits on here, and you manoeuvre it about all over the place, and you can put your side stand on here and clamp it to this, and it all lifts up together, so your bike is held in place safely. Put a drill on the bolt at the top of the stand, and quite simply lift it up. This is one I've made myself, but you can buy these from Quasar, and there's all kinds of clamping devices on it, and you can clamp it onto your footrests and what have you, to save lifting it up by the wheels. Then you can do maintenance on your wheels, chains, take your wheels out, look at your brakes, all things like that. Yeah, the lift, it handles my old 750 Honda with ease, and these are heavy lumps. I wouldn't have managed without it. So that's the story of my easy riser lift, and my next couple of videos I'll be doing a couple of maintenance things on the Royal Enfield, and you can join me as I tackle them. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed my little video. I haven't posted one for a while. We're in lockdown now in the UK, and I can't get out on the bike. So I'll do a couple of little videos you may find interesting on a couple of maintenance things what I'm going to be doing this year. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and if you've enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.